Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Donraj. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this little bead flower. This is designed by the name on the screen. I really don't know how to pronounce it. And I really like this little bead charm. So anyways, let's get started. You'll be needing some yellow rubber bands like I'm using. You'll be needing about 5 beads. So yeah. So you're going to start off by taking your hook, and I'm using a crochet hook, which is 2.5 millimeter. And I'll grab one of my beads and put on my hook. And I'm going to take one yellow band and pull it through. Like that. Then you're going to grab another bead, and you're going to pull it through just the bead. Repeat this with all your beads. Okay, so I've got all my beads on my hook and I pulled them through some yellow rubber bands. So I basically used 5 rubber bands and all my beads. And now I'm going to take one last rubber band and I'm going to pull this through everything in your hook. Make sure you be really careful because sometimes it falls off your hook. I'm sorry about the background noise, and just keep pulling it through and then you could reattach. And then make a slip knot. Tighten that slip knot. And just fix it around. Kind of fix the beads and that stuff. And there is your little charm. But if you don't want this little tail in the end, you can take your hook and you may go inside these little loops that you made from the V's, and you may grab your band and you're gonna pull it through your slip knot band, and you're gonna pull through everything like that. And then some places you could hide it more, but yeah. So if you also want to attach this on something, keep that slip knot so you could attach it on anything. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed how to make this, and I'll see you later. Bye.